Welcome to Flowcrete Philippines. Specializing in high-grade concrete pumps, parts, and accessories, we have been the exclusive distributor of Junjin in the country since 2004. Available here are brand new units and quality pre-owned boom pumps ranging from 28 meters up to the newest Junjin Heavy Industry Korea 75 meters. We got you and your projects. May it be long distance or near, horizontal or vertical with our Junjin line pumps. Take a look at our tested and reliable JSP 2112, which was utilized for the construction of the Rice Makati, boasting 63 floors amounting to 210 meters. We offer rental as well, with affordable rates in on-call and tie-up basis. Quick and excellent. Orders placed for quality parts and accessories are immediately satisfied thanks to our warehouse, well stocked with international and local products catering to multiple brands. We have repaired and rehabilitated countless Junjin concrete pumps and other brands as well, with the expertise of specialized engineers and mechanics trained routinely in Korea. We conduct trainings and seminars regarding proper operations and safety precautions, as we strongly believe that a concrete pump is only as good as the operator manning it. In line with this, we also provide our own on-call certified warranty operator that will guide and accompany your brand new pumpcrete and its crew free of charge during the first month of your purchase. Our services do not stop there. We put pride in our established after-sales support, which you retain even after the warranty period ends. Concrete pumps are one of the most expensive, special heavy equipment in the construction industry here in the Philippines. So take your choice. Choose quality. Choose Flowcrete, your one-stop shop for your concrete pumping needs.